Get some hail now.
And I don't, it's very interesting because actually a lot of my conservative friends, I met some of them this week, are angry at Senator Marco Rubio, who are trying to work with Schumer and Graham and McCain and McCain. I'm not angry at them. Why are we about to be angry at them? When I first interviewed some of the developers, I said, if we don't get border security first, is that a game changer for you?
Ow. And some pea-sized hail. Sounds like it's getting bigger. It's really coming down. The most hail I've seen being in Pennsylvania.